So hello everyone, myself Jay Waghani, and today I will going to present English Romanticism, a literary revolution. Here are my information, personal information, table of content, research question. How did the English Romantic movement represent a literary revolution in terms of its themes, a style, and a philosophical outlook? And what lasting impact did it have on subconscious literary traditions? Hypothesis. The English Romantic movement was a literary revolution that challenges established norm of the neoclassical period by emphasizing individualism, emotional expression, and the deep connection to nature. These transformations reshaped the way literature engaged with personal experience, social ideas, and imagination, leaving a profound influence on modern literary through writing. Introduction. As we all know, that Romanticism was an intellectual movement that began in the late 18th century and lasted into the mid 19th century, affecting literature, music, art, and more. It rejected the orderly, balanced ideas of classicism and the rational thinking of the Enlightenment. Instead, Romanticism focus on emotion, imagination, and individual expression. It celebrates nature, personal feelings, and inner struggle of exceptional individuals. Artists and writers were seen as a creative genius, and there was a fascination with mysterious, the exotic, and the supernatural. Romanticism values the power of the imagination and the pursuit of a deeper spiritual truths. The Romantic Age, Romantic Age, a brief overview. Last 18th to early 19th century, begin with a lyrical ballad by Wordsworth and Coleridge. Key features: imagination and emotion. Uh, in this age, there is a imagination, emotion, central focus. Prioritize feeling over reason. Nature and inspiration. Nature as inspiration. In this age, writers are seen this age as a seen in this age nature as an inspiration and individualism. Stories of in this age, people, common people are uh, focus on common people and rejecting illustric neoclassical themes. Uh, Melancholy and supernaturals explore human struggles and mystery. Key points and works. In first generation of Romantic Age, William Wordsworth and S.T. Coleridge in first generation. Here are their both works. And second generation, in the second generation, John Keats, P.B. Shelley, and Lord Byron was there. And here is a work of their impact. Broken neoclassical tradition celebrates emotional depth and creativity. Influence later literature with its focus on individuality and beauty. The Romantic movements is a literary classification. Initial lack of definition. During the last 18th, early 19th century, the term Romantic did not initially denote to contemporary literary movements in England. Instead, it refers to literature from the Middle Age and the Renaissance or a work perceived as exotic, idealized, or irrational. Emergence of groupings. Early classification like Francis Harris and Lake School. Uh, in this age, group of these three writers, Wordsworth, Southey, and Coleridge, were politically motivated and devised the grouping poet based on ideological perspective there, rather than artistic coherence. Other terms like Cockney School and Satanic School were similarly narrow and often pejorative, shift towards unity. By the mid-19th century, the broader sense of era's literary destructiveness emerged. Writer and critic begin associating poets with the spiritual of the age, which was largely shaped by the French revolutions, unhealth, and the subsequent intellectual and cultural shifts. English Romanticism and its development. Definition for it. Romanticism was a literary movement that emerged at the end of 18th century and at least until the 1830s. Interestingly, the terms romanticism was respectively applied by 20th century critics as the poet of the time did not see themselves as a part of a unfilled movement. Here are three key characteristics: significant contributions, literary innovations, and the second is the artistic approach. In literary innovations, introduced the women writers and working class writer to prominence, popularized the magazine essays, gothic novels, and historical novels, development political journalism, created closer connections between literary and scientific writing. In an artistic approach, show nature as a teacher and source of integrity, infinite beauty. Use the imagination to explore personal and collective experience, prioritize emotional authenticity or formal convention. Historical context: the Romantic period was a transformative era in English literature. It marked significant shift from the rich neoclassical style to the more fluid emotion driven from the expression. Conclusion: the Romantic movement revolutionized English literature by shifting focus from rich neoclassical tradition to emotion, imagination, and individualism. It celebrates nature as a spiritual guide, explore human struggle and mystery, and connected art to real life experience. Lead by iconic poets like Wordsworth, Coleridge, Shelley, Keats, and Byron, Romanticism left a profound legacy of creativity and emotional depth continues to inspire literature and culture today. Here are my references. Here are references of this. Thank you. If you want to ask question.
My question is, why is nature important in romanticism?
As I mentioned in the presentation that romanticism, nature importance in romanticism because nature is seen as a teacher in romanticism and also is beauty and give beauty and inspiration to write. Second question, if you want to ask.
My question is, how is romanticism different from earlier traditions?
It is different because romanticism is focused on feelings and common people.